Good morning, traders. Stock Sumo with BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. Today's Tuesday, August 5th, 2014, and today we're looking at Vid3G Inc. That's ticker symbol VIDG, trading on the OTC markets. Yesterday, the stock closed at 016, and key thing about yesterday's close, it broke through the 50-day moving average. Notice that this one's coming off of its 52-week lows. We had a couple of bounces here earlier this year. Notice back here in the beginning of the year, it found this support here in the low ones. Had to run up to 7 cents. Consolidated, pulled back, bounced off of about a 016, 017 area, ran back over 2 cents. Came back to the low ones again and ran as high as 2.5 cents. So our key resistance is going to be this previous swing high of 2.5 cents. As far as support goes, we got support down here at the 01, the low 01, 012. Been bouncing off of this range. We'd like to see the support hold at this 50-day moving average of 015 if we see any pullbacks. It's always good to see previous resistance hold as support. Notice that 015, 016 also coincides with this support area where we've seen a bounce in April. It bounced off of this, was a support area. So you want to see this 015 area hold as a future level of support. We'd like to see it come up here and test these resistance levels of 025, the 2.5 cent range. If we can break that 2.5 cent range, we're going to have resistance at the 200-day moving average of 028. So we could be looking at some nice upside here. Looking at some of these indicators, you got the RSI that just broke through the 50 line. Anytime we see the RSI north of the 50 line, that always indicates strength in the stock. We'd like to see this RSI continue to climb north, maybe get up into that power zone. It failed to break into the power zone on this last run, although we did see that nice breakout. The RSI couldn't break through the power zone to extend the run further. On this run up, we'd like to see that RSI get through that 70 line. Anything between 70 and 90 is considered the power zone, and stocks tend to break out once the RSI reaches the power zone. Also, looking at this MACD, you got a pincher set up here. MACD looks like it's getting ready for a cross. That's going to be a bullish indicator. So all in all, this chart on VIDG is looking good, coming off its 52-week lows, setting up for a nice bounce play. So we're putting this one on high alert today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to stop by our blog at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. Good luck out there, traders.